Hi, second graders. Welcome to Math Today. Today we are going to be examining examples and non-examples of quadrilaterals and then trying to determine what their attributes are. And by the end of this time, you're going to draw some quadrilaterals with the attributes that we determined in a plan that would be for like a garden. So I'd like for you to look at this page, and we're looking specifically at the top 6 shapes. Each of these are quadrilaterals, and I'd like for you to think about what attributes do each of these have. If you can, go ahead and pause and tell somebody at home what you notice is common for all of these shapes. So some things that I notice or attributes of these quadrilaterals is that they have 4 sides, they have 4 angles, and they have 4 corners. It might help us to decide the attributes of quadrilaterals by looking at these shapes down here that are not quadrilaterals. So I think one thing we could add by looking at these is that quadrilaterals have 4 straight sides. So you notice this one's curved. So that makes it not a quadrilateral, and that it is closed. This one is open, so therefore it is not a quadrilateral. So I have a question. For it to be a quadrilateral, do 1 or 2 pairs of the sides have to be parallel? Remember, parallel means that they could go on and on and on and on and on forever and never meet. So think about that for a minute. Again, you can pause and talk with somebody about that. Okay, what I notice right away is that this shape B does not have parallel sides. So parallel sides only occur in some quadrilaterals. So parallel sides is not an attribute of quadrilaterals. So one thing that we need to know for sure is that all quadrilaterals have to have the attributes of 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 corners in order for them to be a quadrilateral. If they only have one of those, it's not a quadrilateral. Okay? I have a little job for you today. We're going to look at this question here. Then I'm going to show you a new tool where you can do this work. So I will include a link to this Google Slides so that you can come back and look at this when we're finished. So it says, the members of Juan's family are making plans for a garden that will be in the shape of a quadrilateral. Okay. Juan's plan is that he wants a quadrilateral with 4 right angles. And so we're going to try to draw the shape with 4 right angles. To do this, we are going to use our e-toolkit in our Everyday Math app. So you'll have to go to the Everyday Math app, and when you're at this page, you're going to go to e-toolkit. Once this screen is up, you will see it says e-tools here. And if you scroll down a little ways here, you're going to get to something that says GeoBoard. We're going to click there. And then we can make our board bigger. I'm going to say 10 peg, and then I'm going to drag and I'm going to drop it up here. Okay? So we're going to use this to build our quadrilateral. So again, Juan wants one that has 4 right angles. So this should be pretty easy, right? So we can, oh, I lost my thing. It's probably up there somewhere, isn't it? All right, so I'm going to choose, let's see, I'm going to do green since we're doing a garden, okay? And I'm going to make a garden for Juan that has 4 right angles. So I have 1 green band, I'm going to put another one here, and I'm going to pull it, oops. I don't want that, do I? Oh, you little turkey. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I can keep pulling my bands or dragging my bands up, and then I can pull them. And you can do the same thing today in your e-toolkit. Oh, you little turkey. Look at that. It's not going to work for me, is it? Let's try again. All right, there we go. So I have a garden for one that has 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles, okay? So you can do the same that I did there, and then you can say reset, and you can say I want actually a 10 peg, okay? Your challenge today is Juan's sister Linda wants a quadrilateral with just 2 right angles. Try drawing shapes that will work for Linda's plan. Okay, so I want you to do the same thing today in your toolkit. Try to make a quadrilateral with just 2 right angles. And we will come back to this tomorrow and I'll show you what I came up with. If you're able to, your parents could take a picture of what you came up with today and email it to me and I'll share it on our Schoology page. So that is your job today, to make your quadrilateral with just 2 right angles in our toolkit with a geoboard. All right, good luck and I'll see you soon.